Hi!
Hi,
ano na lang kayo? Parang... Ito mo Watson's mo na. Hindi na lang Chinese ganito.
Like lava.
It's Big Auntie. Big Auntie. And Daddy. Birthday boy. And
of course, the mother of the birthday celebrant. The father of the birthday celebrant.
Sky's Cafe. Hi there.
I have something for you later na lang.
Hello there. Asan ang twins? Oh, they're so beautiful.
Yes.
Andyan ang twins.
Another one. The cute.
Smile, everybody. 1, 2, 3. Big Auntie. 1, 2, 3. And Tomboy Auntie. Picture nga natin. Ang ganda. Wow. Scent zone.
Our program. Time check is already 5:42. To all the members of our flowers.
Hi, Ami.
Sa lahat po ng mga parents po nandyan, pag meron po kayong mga anak po dyan na maliliit, please guide your kids to occupy the seats in
Sky's Cafe. So, may ice cream corner, French fries corner, cotton candy, wow! And that's the cotton candy. And ice scramble. Wow! Gusto ko ng ice scramble kasi parang gusto ko ng malamig. May ice cream din doon, pero gusto ko ice scramble. Parang water lang siya. Di ba, Beshi?
Water?
Parang water lang siya. Ice lang, di ba? Na may onting flavor. Yan, I want one. Oo, go. Water lang to. Kaysa sa ice cream kasi may fat. May ano yun. Ice scramble, ano lang siya, water. Ice. Onti lang. Huh? Thank you. O, diba? Ay, sarap.
May gabi sa tanan, salamat din pwede sa pag-attend sa birthday ni Sky. At sa mga bisita nga layo pa, nga nagbiyakin kitis ka may bagyo, salamat din sa inyong tanan. Sa akong mga friends, dapat ko ulit pa isa-isa, salamat din sa pagkakas sa inyo. Sa pinakalayo din yung nagkatungan ng bisita kay Sky, mga social climbers at saka si Ate Brenda, thank you. Kahit may bagyo po, pumunta talaga sila dito, thank you po. At saka sa family ko po, na nag-support talaga sa birthday ni Sky, thank you po. At sa lahat ng mga kaibigan ko po dito, salamat po talaga. Especially din sa organizer po natin. Sana ngayon, matapos yung birthday natin na may hindi po tayo at memories po to ni Sky kasi hindi niya po naranasan yung ganitong maraming tao. Hindi po lahat nabibili yung pera, ay hindi lahat nabibili ng pera. Pero yung happiness na nandito kayo, nabili ko na po. Thank you sa lahat.
Maraming salamat po sa lahat na pag-attend po sa special day ni Sky. Thank you everyone. I'm sorry, thank you sa mabilisang response. Alright, thank you so much to the parents. Together, please. Ready now when they grow old. Ladies and gentlemen, let's put our hands together. Ina. Short my experience as slow ones. So thank you so much, dear Ina. And finally, let's welcome our last member, Winter. Ganda namang pangalan, may Summer Reaper, may Ina, may Isa, may Aubrey, may Amber, and Audrey. Isang masigabong palakpakan sa all the members of our 7 Flowers. Maraming salamat. And this time, can I ask for the pasabot na si Sky? Oh my God.
Hi! May kabisan yung lahat! Message ba? Sky kasi. Hello, Sky. Happy birthday! I have a gift for you. You have your baby boy. Happy birthday, Sky! Naku yan, mag-English eh. Pwede mo translate, Tagalog na lang. Happy birthday, Sky! I wish you good health. And more birthdays. I hope and wish that you have more chicken to play with. I'm praying that you're going to have your brother or sister na para you have playmates na when you go back to Singapore, and always obey your parents, be a good boy always, because if you're going to be a bad boy growing up, you're going to look like them, like us, huh? Be a good boy. And to your parents, thank you so much for inviting us here, celebrating with your son's birthday. And alam niyo na yan, ang wish ko sa inyo ay, like ko sinasabi, na sana magkaroon na si Sky na partner in crime na siya. Kasi kawawa yung mga manok, kung saan-saan na yung inumod-ngod. May chicken po si Sky na bit-bit 3 po, naabakan na po yung isa kanina, mali na po yung paa. Yung 2 po, hindi na po nakatulog dahil naglaro niya magdamag. Nilagyan po niya ng comforter para hindi niya alam na tirok na pala. Anyway, he is very talaga, playful talaga, pero siya lang sa Singapore. Kagaya na sinabi ng parents niya na first time niya ma-experience ng ganito. So, I hope you're going to have a very, very meaningful memories until you grow up, because this is a very special day and with your family. And thank you so much, Sky, because of you, we are here. And I hope your name, Sky, will come out tomorrow so that we'll be continue going to Boracay. Because there's no sky na. Always thunder and storms. Happy birthday, Sky! We love you, baby! And don't look bad na sa amin, ha? We're very beautiful. We just have a dengue fever. Happy birthday! And thank you so much for coming, guys. Maraming salamat. Medyo masama pakiramdam ko ngayon kasi naano ako sa tubuhan kagabi. Naulanan ako sa tubuhan. Oo, nakakain ako ng tubo. Trip, maliit na tubo. Yatay. Anyway, sana makakain ako ng tubo na malaki ngayon. Ay, tubo pala. Thank you so much for coming, guys. And I hope you enjoy the rest of the night. Happy birthday.
Good night po. Mga tulong na tangtanan. Ito tayong lahat ni Brenda Mage together with the show magic. Alright? Show magic pala. Sorry. And now let's welcome another message. Tantan. Do we have Tantan in the house? Okay, the older brother. We have Kuya Tantan.
Kagabi kalay sa inyo, Tanan. Salamat din nagkataon mo sa birthday ni Sky. Especially sa mga bisita ni Mama at sa ilan. Thank you sa inyo, Tanan. Sky,
Mana?
it's so big now. So handsome. Like Kuya. Sky, are you okay? Happy? Salamat po rin ang nagkanta sa mga aspen, sa mga pamilya ko, at sa mga tita at tito.
Thank you so much for your time, guys. Approach the cards and of course our sweet station.
Mahal na si Cardo. Anyway guys, okay, pwede nyo kong i-help children.